Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to track your deals from lead to close sale? Let me show you how to manage sales pipelines in ActiveCampaign. First, create your pipeline. Click Deals on the left menu, then the Pipeline dropdown and select Add a Pipeline. Name it, choose a default currency, and pick which team groups can access it. Set an assignment method. Round robin distributes deals evenly across your team. Manual assignment lets you assign each deal yourself. Next, add your stages. Each pipeline comes with 3 default stages: to contact, in contact, and follow up. Click Add Stage to create more. There's no limit. Name each stage and pick a header color. To move deals between stages, just drag and drop them across columns. You can also automate this. Go to Automations and add an update stage action to move deals when a contact opens an email or visits your pricing page. For advanced users, use Active Intelligence to automate deal stage changes, reassign owners, or add deal notes based on customer behavior. And that's it. Pipelines keep your sales process organized and visible. If you manage pipelines in ActiveCampaign, let me know how many stages you use in the comments. See you in the next one.